welcome to my channel. This is Jackie. So today I'm going to take you through some of the stuff I make. I did fashion and design, so today we are making a bodycon dress, and this is the material I'm using. It is a stretcher. As you can see, it's a stretcher material. So this is what I'm going to use today, and we are making a bodycon dress. For starters, it's one of the easiest way to make a simple dress. Let's get started. So guys, this is the table I'm using. This is the material I showed that I'm going to be using. And the most interesting part about this video is you use your dress as your pattern. So this is my dress. It's what I'm going to use as my pattern. I'm making a long bodycon dress, so this will be my pattern. So let me put it together and I show you. So guys, that's the dress, and this is how I have placed my dress. That is how I placed my dress, and the material I'm using is on fold. So our next step is to mark through. We are going to mark all these edges where the dress passes. I'm using my dress as my pattern. Remember, we are using the easiest ways to make a dress in very few minutes. So that is a complete cutout dress. So that is how the dress looks like. Remember, we are making a bodycon long dress. Yeah. Not to forget, while cutting your material, the material has to be on fold. So I have two pieces right there. You can see two pieces, and the right sides are together. So you cut out two pieces, front and back. Yeah, so my pieces are together. That's the neck, and I have pinned this other part so that I can sew correct stuff. So the armhole are sewn together. As you can see, both pieces I sewed them. So now it's time to attach the neck. So that's how the neck looks like while pinned. So I'm going to attach it. Yeah, I can't wait to try on the dress. So that is the complete neck attached to the dress. As you can see, it's a very easy procedure. Then the next step is to sew up the edges of the dress. So we are getting to complete our dress. Sew up the edges just how my hands are going. You sew up those edges. Yeah. So guys, guess what? The dress is complete and I can't wait to try it on. Not to forget guys, I had to get my orange bag and match my outfit, because the outfit was just popping. I'm proud of myself, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.